राज्यांत एक टीचर चलोवपी सरकारी इश्कोलां आसची न्हय. शिक्षकांचो आंकडो वाडचो. तशेंच ज्यो शिक्षकांच्या पोस्टा खातीर जायराती येतात त्यो सुवातो योग्य त्या मनशान भरच्यो. तशें डायसिसन सोसायटींनी मुळावें शिक्षण भुरग्यांक इंग्लिशी बदला मुळाव्या भाशेन शिकोवचें म्हण काँग्रेसीचो आदलो NRI कमिशनर एदुआर्द फालेरो उलयला. आरटीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
That you see, one teacher schools should not be there. I know, and you will know in your own villages. There are schools with only one teacher. Government they're teaching Konkani or Marathi. Sometimes he is teaching both Konkani and Marathi. 4 classes recommended. One teacher in schools should not be there. Minimum should be 2 teachers, because you say otherwise it is not possible. It has not been up to now in my own village. In my own village of Raya, I have seen. You see, I go and visit the schools, and I see that just one teacher there, teaching all of them, and very often the teacher is not there, gone on some duty or another. Other recommendation of Madhav Kamath committee was that no extracurricular or outside the school activities or should be imposed on the teachers. Teachers are there to teach and to teach only. Exception was made in case of election at the polling time. Only for polling, not at polling time the teachers can be deputed. On that day only. So therefore this is also not implemented. Then all vacancies of teachers should be fulfilled. Just one of your newspapers reported about 3-4 days ago, 130 vacancies of teachers are still not filled. Then he provided so many other things. There should not be 2 teachers teaching in the same classroom. And all these things I have seen. I have visited schools in Salsett Taluka, I can say, my own area. And all these things, defects are there in unfortunate government primary school. And unfortunately are the children. So it said that 2 teachers cannot teach in the same room, same classroom. I have seen them teaching not only in the same classroom, and in the middle there are all of the saak padaka of food grains for midday meal. Children sitting on the floor, all 4 Marathi, 4 Konkani, teachers sitting there. It's a confusion.